That's not good.
Part 1 of the explosion.
I need some more time.
Yes. Oh, this has been on.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Why did you do that? Well, hello, fellow scientists.
Welcome to the
Lab.
the lab, part 1.
I can't see your finger.
Part 1. Ow, you seen that? You seen that?
Ow.
I hardly hit you. I didn't hit him. You seen that? He's on it. Kids, do not do this at home. It's very dangerous.
First, get some red, this is backward, red wine vinegar and some baking soda. It doesn't matter what kind of vinegar you use.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
And you need an empty bottle.
Dun,
Absolutely do not try this at home. We already tried to explode.
dun, dun.
Tell scientists, tell them why we do not use this
We do
at home.
not use this at home because do you know why? When we tried it, it exploded.
Kabooey!
When we tried it, it went kabooey! Pow! Pow! Kabooey! Right on this dog's head. You can hardly see it. Go, bring your head up. Yeah, there it is, right there.
Fellow scientists.
This is going to be the best challenge. Yeah.
Fellow scientists, we only have a little bit left. As you see, guys, a little bit left, but it's fine.
We need lots of those. I'll get the spoon.
Get the spoon and the cup.
Excuse
Here's
me.
the cup. You also need 1 cup
Sorry about blocking your screen
and a spoon.
by my face. Oh, she didn't hear that. She wouldn't have heard that.
Oh, please, come on.
And look, it's going to be a mic.
Spread this for a second. Hello, guys.
We're just going to take a little bit. Oh, explode. This is going to be a little explosion, okay? Nothing else.
I need to crouch down. Is it free?
I don't. Actually, I do. Part 1. Sort of part 2 as well. Peace out. Boop, boop, boop. It's been 3 minutes. Oh, it's been 3 minutes.
No. Took that long to do the intro. Sorry, guys. It won't take this long at home. But we need to be extra.
Actually, no, it took like 1 second.
First, do it at home.
Yeah, wow. Oh my, 1 second.
Scientists,
Oh,
ready?
I fell. What's gonna happen? Everybody watch. Okay. Oh wow, should I open it? I want to.
No, it's going to explode. It's going to explode.
I want to.
Listen, wait, tell me.
I'll hold it.
Keep on filming what happens, okay? It's going to explode.
You seen that right on that window.
That's why you don't try this at home.
Yeah. Peace out. Boop, boop, boop.
Yeah, actually.